Let's be real. Navigating the world of diets feels like wandering through a maze made of kale and shame. There's keto, paleo, vegan, carnivore, flexitarian, pescatarian, and even something called the werewolf diet. It's real. Google it. These plans all promise you'll shed pounds faster than a snake losing its skin, but they often come with complicated rules that make your brain hurt. No carbs, no dairy, no fun. Only eat on Tuesdays when the moon is full. Drink smoothies made of broccoli, flax seeds, and the tears of your enemies. Despite their quirks, most diets have one thing in common. They want you to stop eating food-like substances. You know, those suspicious items in brightly colored packages that have expiration dates in the next century. So what if we cut through the jargon and boiled healthy eating down to its simplest form? Enter the JERF Diet. Just eat real food. Real food is exactly what it sounds like. Food that exists in nature and hasn't been through a factory that makes it unrecognizable. If you can look at it and say, that came from a tree, a plant, or something with a face, congratulations, you found real food. Not real food tends to fall into two categories: items that require a chemistry degree to pronounce. Butylated hydroxytoluene, anyone? Things your great-grandparents wouldn't recognize as edible. Looking at you, neon blue energy drinks. Let's compare real food to food-like substances. The orange, packed with vitamin C, fiber, and antioxidants. Orange soda, packed with sugar, artificial coloring, and the potential for regret. The potato, grown in real dirt, your grandma's favorite tuber. The potato chip, highly processed and so stripped of nutrients it's basically a carb ghost. The roasted chicken, looks like it once clucked. The nugget, looks like it was made in a lab experiment gone wrong. Here's the kicker. The JERF diet isn't revolutionary at all. It's just common sense wrapped in a catchy acronym. But in a world where eating has become a competitive sport, simplicity feels revolutionary. No counting. You don't have to count calories, macros, or the number of almonds you're allowed to eat. If it's real food, you can eat it. No weird rules. There's no don't eat after 6 p.m. nonsense. Cavemen weren't checking their sundials before snacking on berries. It works everywhere. You don't need a specialty health food store that sells Himalayan goat cheese dust. Real food exists everywhere, from the farmer's market to the dusty bag of potatoes in your pantry. Let's admit it, not real food is sneaky. It's irresistible, colorful, crunchy, sugary, salty, and often comes in packaging that screams, "I'm fun and exciting." But it leaves you with bloating, belly fat, and chronic disease. Real food, on the other hand, nourishes you, fills you up, and doesn't leave you questioning your life choices. JERF is a lifestyle that doesn't require spreadsheets or a decoder ring. You don't have to give up carbs, fats, or even desserts. Craving sweets? Eat a banana. Want something savory? Grab some nuts. Need comfort food? Then load up on mashed potatoes, just not the ones that come in powdered form. Final thoughts, JERF is the hero we need. In a world overrun with fad diets, the JERF diet feels like a breath of fresh, kale-free air. It doesn't require apps, subscriptions, or a cupboard full of supplements. It's just about choosing food that looks, smells, and feels like food. So next time you're wandering the grocery store, ask yourself one simple question. Is this real food? If the answer is yes, throw it in your cart. If the answer is no, put it down and walk away toward the produce section. If you found this information valuable, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with friends and family who might also benefit from these health insights. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more enlightening content.